Hi, this is Josh, Dreambody Clinic, and in this video, you're going to see Dr. Dezawa. She came in from Japan to do a kind of mini conference just with our team here at Dreambody Clinic. She is the person that discovered MUSE Cells back in 2010, has been the top researcher doing this for over a decade there in Japan. And she came to explain how the MUSE Cells work for us. And in this video, it's kind of a short clip, but you'll see during her presentation, she explained how the MUSE Cells go in. They find damaged tissue or damaged cells, they basically eat them and then turn into those cells. So in this case, she's showing how they can do that for Alzheimer's, which they found in different models for that, turning into glial cells, which are specialized brain cells in the, almost like macrophages in the brain that are part of the immune system, turn into vascular cells like blood vessel cells, and even sweat gland cells, which is really good for maintaining body temperature. So they can turn into any type of cell, and the best administration process is a simple IV. In fact, I did 20 million yesterday, so I'll be able to explain more of that to you in the future, how that worked for me. My daughter did 20 million yesterday. She's 21 for a herniated disc in her lower back. And yeah, we're rolling these out so people can see what they do. They're really incredible. They're found within mesenchymal stem cell cultures, so we know they're safe. They've been testing on them since 2010. And technically, we've been administering them for the past 8 years without even knowing it with the mesenchymal cells. So really safe, really cool, and they're a true pluripotent stem cell. So watch this video. You'll see Dr. Dezawa explaining that, some questions from our head doctor, Dr. Barba, and some back and forth. You can learn more about MUSE Cells at www.dbcmusecells.com.
This is our conclusion, that what you have to do is you just inject the donor MUSE cells. They found out the yellow dot sphingosine monophosphate that will be produced from the damaged cells for SOS signal. MUSE cells sharply sense that, and then they eat and phagocytose the damaged cell. Because MUSE cells are pluripotent, they can repair the vascular cells. They also repair neurons, glial cells, even microglia. It's a key cells for Alzheimer's disease. And also in the skin diseases like epidermolysis bullosa, when you inject, I will show you later, they will also repair the hair, not only the skin, not only the sweat gland, they also repair sweat gland, the sebaceous gland. This is very important for temperature, body temperature adjustment, sweat gland.
Yeah.
If you use artificial skin, that will be good for outlooking, but for body temperature, sweat gland, sebaceous gland, those are, they can, because they're pluripotent, they can repair anything.
But like the MUSE cells replace the damaged cells, right? This is not like, for example, like the MSCs, they done it like the mitochondria, like to stimulate your own cells to work and heal. Like these cells, like the MUSE cells, replace like your own cells to heal.
Yes, 3-dimensionally.
They will eat them and like, kind of like the phagocyte and then.
Yeah, like this.
Replace them.
Yes, replace.